So, good evening, everyone. It's Olusegun once again. So, after you might have written your book, format your book, and it's readable now, you can't just be selling it like that, or you can start giving it out like that. So, the next step is to design a book cover. So, when we are talking about book cover, is what you show to people. So people might not have the privilege to see the inside, but the book cover have a lot of things to say about your book. So that is why you must design a very good book cover. So here today we'll be using the app. This app is called Lab. So we'll be using Lab for our book design. Once you open your Lab, this is the interface. So don't design anyhow design for your book, and don't claim that people will not judge your book according to the cover. No, you can say that in the church, but we are talking about real life now, so people believe what they see. So please don't make that mistake. So here in Pixel Lab, we have the default background here. So I'll just be showing us straight away what to do. So actually, this is how Pixel Lab work. We have a lot of features. This is where you have your text. So you can click here to edit text. Anything you want to do about text. So this is for shape, and this is for background. So that's if you want to change the background image. So but here we have the default background. This three circle down here represent the default background. So I'll click on this last white, click on that. So I have a pure white. So the next thing now is to increase this shape. You can see now. So we want to increase this shape. We want to increase it so that the height will look like that of a book cover. So this is not looking like a book cover now. It's not looking like it. So let's do that now. So head over to this side. Head over to this three dots here. You can see that three dots. So click on it. So you come to this place here, images. Click on images, image size rather. So change it to 1500 to 2130, something like this. Click on OK. You see what you have. This is looking like a typical book cover. So the next thing you want to do now is to add your text, the title of your book. You click on this plus icon here. Click on the plus icon there. So then click on text. Click on text. So drag this to the middle with your finger. Then click on this. So click on relative position and centralize it. So I want to add an image. Let me look for an image to add. To add my image, I'll click on this plus icon here. The plus icon is here. After so if you want to delete, this is where you delete. If you want to delete any feature, just highlight the feature and you click on delete. It will be deleted. So this icon here is for you to, if you want to undo, you undo. So if you want to edit, so the icon here is for layer. So I will not be talking about that because of our time here. So now you click on the plus icon, just like I've said. click on the plus icon, go to gallery. You see gallery there. From gallery, click on from gallery, then come to this. Okay, where my images is in my gallery, so I'll come to select my gallery, come to another this download and select this one. So I have to crop it if need be. Just crop this a bit. I think it's okay this way. So then I centralize it. So make sure it's at the middle. So let me centralize it properly. I'll come to this second icon, the one we have here, this one. So click on that one. So when you click on that, take it to where you can edit your shape. So click on relative position, then centralize. So it's centralized already. So my book cover is good to go. So I can decide to reduce this size a bit. Reduce the size a bit. Come back to your A. That's where you can edit your text. Come back to this big T and small t. Then reduce this. Reduce what we have here. So, or I can decide to use another font. So let's say I use Roboto. Let me use Roboto regular. Roboto regular. Alright. So I think this is looking good. So okay, I think this is okay. So just adjust it properly to look nice. Then the next thing is to click on this particular icon here. That's where you save your, click on it. So once you click on that icon, so it gives you the opportunity to save as project first. I like saving as project first in case I have to come back for it. I'll write book. You can use anything to save it. So then when I'm done with that, I can now, don't mind the advertisement. Advertisement. So just come back to this box again. Now we want to save as image. Click on save as image. So click on save. Then it's done. It's in your gallery. So here in my gallery I have my book cover design. So that is it. So now the next thing now is how to mock up your book cover so that it will look more attractive. So let's go there.